Keith, we know it's serious when the iPad comes out.
We know it's more serious when it doesn't work that well either. I am going to show you, I'm going to track these storms, but you might have to see the side of my head while I do it. Okay. We've got a few of them. Luckily, no history so far of any real damage, but they're just driving towards the coastline here with severe thunderstorm warnings in a couple of spots. So let's just see if we can have a look at this here. One is moving towards the Portland area at the moment. It is a severe thunderstorm. Again, it doesn't have any real history of any damage going on with it right now, but it is marked as a potential of 55 mile per hour or more winds. I think more likely what we're looking at here is just some heavy rain and potentially some small hail. We got another system that's moving through into the Camden area. And again, I would love to zoom in on this for you, and we will try to make this happen. But that storm has a severe thunderstorm warning there as well, and it is moving off to the east about 30 miles an hour or so. So these are the storms we're watching. We've got another storm across northern Maine. This has just dropped the box here, so it looks like it is non-severe. All of this is moving its way offshore. If you kind of look at the back end of this, we're not seeing a whole lot of development back through New Hampshire at this point. So this is kind of the end of it. Once these storms move towards the coastline, we'll be settling things down. Part of what got this air mass so primed is that it is so sticky out there, so humid, with dew points in the 70s, almost into the mid 70s here through the middle of the day. Had the heat index in the upper 90s briefly around 2, 3 in the afternoon. So that kept things going as far as thunderstorms go, and it's going to give us a very mild night tonight. I think almost everyone outside of the mountains will stay over 70 throughout the evening. According to this model, 11 p.m., Portland will be 78, Portsmouth, New Hampshire will be 80 degrees. So it'll be really sticky and warm all night tonight. That's how we start tomorrow. And we are going to have more cloud cover around tomorrow, but I think we're still in the mid and upper 80s with those high dew points before what's left of the moisture from Beryl, that tropical storm, gets infused into this front. We start seeing some heavy rain downpours here around 6, 7 o'clock. And I think that line kind of sets up from Bangor to Rangeley, maybe into Berlin, New Hampshire. To the south of that, I don't think we see all that much rain Wednesday night or even into Thursday. There'll be a chance for a downpour, but very clearly here in the models you can see where you've got that banding of heavy rain. We could see some potential flash flooding in those zones. We'll keep an eye on it. But south of that or north of that, we're likely to see a lot less rain, but just feel the impacts of that tropical moisture in our air mass, in addition to heavy downpours that could pop up here and there. Things settle down on Friday, and Saturday and Sunday look great. Another just amazing summer weekend, it looks like, coming up, if you don't mind the heat. Little nerd note on that. My spidey sense told me today, why don't you look up the beginning of summer to now? And it is our third warmest start on record. So if you take it from either June 1st or May 1st, it is the third warmest on record. It just kind of felt like that. And we've got a lot ahead of us over the next week to 10 days that it's going to be well above average too. So
I was going to say, when you see that average temperature line and where we're going in the next week.
We never average 85. No. So if you're in that zone, that's where we're at. So again, we'll watch those heavy rain situation on Wednesday and Thursday. I think it's going to be relatively narrow though in its scope.
Okay, Keith, thank you.